Okay, what we need to do is find the centre of this wee pin that goes through the middle here. And to do that, what we'll do is, there's the bottom of this bit, and if I measure up 7.5mm, it's 7.5mm, it's 15mm overall, so 7.5 takes me, there's 5, 6, 7, 7.5 is there. Okay, if I extend that out from the centre, then basically that's the kind of centre axis, if you like, of this pin. It's 50 in total, so we're coming out 25 from the middle. So it's 25 to there. It's coming out 25 from there also. That's how far out the thing comes. Right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to form a centre about this. Okay, and you've guessed it, we're going to have to make up a wee generator so that we can do this circle here. Now, it's very small, 6mm, so you're setting your compass to 3mm. You might say you're setting yourself up for a fall, because it can be very difficult to do this, but I'm going to give it a go, see what we can produce. Now, my compass I've got a problem with, because the actual lead is longer than the pin, so I'm actually going to have to shorten it a wee bit so that it'll fit in, which is a bit mental, but that's what we're going to have to do. Now at this stage you go, wait a wee minute, this is really small, my measurements are going to be out, so you know what, to be honest with you, the best thing to do, because this is so small, is we're just going to measure 3mm on either side, and this is going to be still technical drawing, still technical graphics, but what we're going to do is we're just going to use a wee bit of our eye to work out exactly what this looks like. This is so small that I know that I would be much better off doing what I'm about to do here, which is to sketch the shape, and then all I really need to do is just fire some points through here. I can pretty much do the same at the back here. I can draw up another circle to the right size. And then obviously in the back it's quite easy to do, you just draw your line like that where your tangent would be. And then on this one, this is where it becomes a bit more difficult, because it's actually going to the face of the shape. But again, because the sizes are so small, we're talking about here, what I'll do is, from that point there, which is right at the edge of the centre line, that's basically the edge. So I'm just going to draw a line down from that, just judging what the shape would be like, because you have to really estimate it, because you're not going to be able to get it absolutely spot on. Now, as I said earlier, your line should be finer than mine, so your final lines should be a bit neater than that. But there we go. Quite a tough drawing. I mean, you would be wanting to line in anything that wasn't clear at this point and just make sure things are as good as you can make them. Don't rub out, bit of advice, don't rub out everything, because your construction lines are what the marker looks at to see that you've got an understanding of how you should produce this drawing. Okay, F2 complete.